Hi children, I am Amritha. Today we will be discussing about the last section of second chapter of class 4, that is Wheel of Time. The last portion is calendar math. We are discussing about calendar math today. It is an important section of this chapter and very interesting section too. Okay, so let's see. So before telling about calendars, I hope every one of you know how to write your date of birth. If someone is asking what is your date of birth, someone may tell it is 5th October 2000 or 7 February, like that. But the correct method for telling the date of birth is this one, that is date, month and year. If you are asked to fill a form and if you are asked to fill your date of birth, the correct format is what? Date, month and year. So first you have to write the date, 4, 5 or something, and then the month and the year. That is, for example, 4th March 2011. 4th March 2011. If this is the date of birth, then how we will write this? 4. The date we will write first. 4. Then the March. Month is March. March means it is the third month of the year. January, February, March. So we will write 3 here. 4, 3 and the year is 2011. So 4/3/2011. This is the correct format for writing date of birth. Okay, you have to study this. Next we have calendar. So I have taken the calendar, January to 2020 calendar. Okay, so I am going to tell some peculiarities of or specialities of a calendar. Okay, see here the month is starting on Wednesday. Month is starting on Wednesday. Wednesday is 1st January. See, we know that in a week we are having 7 days. Okay, in a week we are having 7 days. So here we can see that January 1st is Wednesday. January 1st is Wednesday. When you are asking to parents, Mom, today is January 1st, what is the date of next Wednesday? If we are asking like that, parents will, within seconds they will tell that it is 8th. What is the trick in that? How is it possible? Okay, this is the trick. See, you know that in a week we are having 7 days. In a week we are having 7 days. So, if 1st is Wednesday, January 1st is Wednesday, after 7 days the same day will repeat. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7th day will be again Wednesday. Okay, so if you want to know the next Wednesday's date, just add 7 to this one. 1 plus 7 will give you 8. Similarly, 2 is Thursday. 2 is Thursday. So what will be the date of next Thursday? 2 plus 7, that is 9. Okay, this is the peculiarity of a calendar. Now, if it is 10 Friday, if it is 10 today and it is Friday, how will you find the date of next Friday? 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 7, 17. Okay, so if we add 7 to the previous number, we will get the next week's date. Okay, this is the trick in calendar. And we know that the number of days in all the months are not the same. Some months will be having 30 days, some will be having 31 days, some is having 28 days, which is a month having 28 and 29 days, February it is. Okay, so the total days in months are not equal. So what is the trick in that? See, just take the knuckle of your hand. Just take the knuckle of your hand. This is called knuckles. And this is called, after each knuckle we can see a depression there. So each knuckle, no, first take this first knuckle as January and the depression as February, March, April, May, June, July, like that. Okay. So this months on this knuckle will be having 31 days. So January is having 31 days. Just forget about February, that we will discuss later. Then March, then April. April is having 30 days only. May is having 31 again. June is May, January, February, March, April, May is 31, June 30, July and August will be having 31 days. July and August we will count here. July, August, then September 30 days, October 31, then November again 30, December 31 days. Okay, this is the trick in what? Finding the number of days in a month. Okay, so that is about calendar. Now see the number of days in a month, they are not equal, we studied now. Okay, so next is about February. Next is about February. Okay, see 2012 to 2016's calendar is given here. About February, we are discussing about February here. See, in 2012, February is having 29 days. In 2013, it is having 28 only. And 2014, 2015 is also, to February is having only 20 days. And next, in February 2016, again, it is having 29 days. See, after 2012, February is having 29 days in 2016 only. After 12, then it repeats on 2016 only. Okay. So, we can say that February is having 29 days after each 4 years. That is, if in 2012 if February is having 29 days, then after 4 years, after 4 years, the next 4th year, 13, 14, 15, 16. In 16 only February will be having 29 days. Okay. So, next we are having leap year. Leap year. Okay. What is a leap year? And commonly, if someone is asking how many days are there in a month, year, what we will tell? 365. Normal. So, we will tell 365 days. But there are some years in which we are having 366 days. We are having 366 days. That is called a leap year. Okay. So, this is the definition of leap year. Leap year is a year occurring once in every 4 years, which has 366 days. And what about the extra 1 day? This is the year in which February is having 29 days. Okay. So, in leap year, February will be having 29 days and it is occurring once in every 4 years. Okay. So, this is called leap year. Now, how we will find whether a year is a leap year or not? We told no, in 2012 February is having 29 days. Then after 2016, in 2016 only February is having 29 days. That means it is a multiple of 4. A leap year will always be a multiple of 4. 2012. So, sometimes you may think that it is a 4-digit number. How can we divide it by 4 just like that? Okay. So, there is an easy method. If it is 2012, just take the last 2 digits of that 2012. It is 12. If 12 is divisible by 4 or if 12 is a multiple of 4, we can say that that is a leap year. Okay. So, 2012, 12 is a multiple of 4, it is a leap year. Now, what about 2013? 13 is not a multiple of 4. What about 14, 15? After 15, it is 16. Okay, 16 is a multiple of 4. So, 2016 is a leap year. So, now you can see what is the next leap year after 2016? 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 will be a leap year, 2020. This year is a leap year. Okay, this year if you are checking the calendar, you can see that February is having 29 days. Okay, so in every leap year is repeating after each 4 years, and in a leap year, February will be having 29 days, and therefore, in that year we are having 366 days. Okay, in that year we are having 366 days, and that year is called a leap year. Okay, that is called a leap year. Now, we just go for the questions. Okay, we will discuss some questions. This is a question taken from the textbook itself. Okay, a part of the calendar for a month is shown here. What is the date in the square marked with a question mark? Okay, this is the part of a calendar. Okay, and this is a question mark. You have to fill the date here. Now, this is a calendar. We know that after 16, 17, it comes 18 only. Okay. Here it will be 18. Now, what about the next week's date? We already discussed first itself. If you want to get the date of the next week, we need to just add 7 only. So, after 16, then 17, then comes what? 18. 18 plus 7 is 25. So, the question mark. The answer will be what? 25. The date on the question mark is what? 25. Okay, easy one. So, next is we having two more questions. First one is 20th of a month is Wednesday. What day will be 7th of the same month? So, 20th of a month is Wednesday. 28th of a month is Wednesday. What will be 7th? 7th of the same month. Okay, 7th. Now, we told no, if 28 is Wednesday, 28 minus 7, 21 will also be Wednesday, because 21 plus 7, 28 is Wednesday. Okay. Now, 21 is Wednesday means 21 minus 7. 14 also will be Wednesday. 14 minus 7, 7 is also Wednesday. So, if 28 is Wednesday, all these dates will be Wednesday. So, hence 7. Okay. 7 is also what? Wednesday. Okay, that is the second question. Now we will go for the last one. In 2013, so note that 2013 is not a leap year. In 2013, February 1st is a Friday. So how many days will February have? 28 days only, because it is not a leap year. February 1st is a Friday. How many Fridays will be in this month? We want to find how many Fridays are there in February 1st of 2013. 2013. Okay. So just think that this is a 2013's calendar. 2013 February's calendar. And here Friday is 1st February. 1st February is Friday. So we know that 1 plus 7, 8 will also be Friday. Now 8 plus 7, 15 will also be Friday. Now 15 plus 7, 22 will also be Friday. Okay, 22 plus 7. What about 22 plus 7? 22 plus 7 is what? 29. 22 plus 7 is 29. But remember that the year is 2013. February will not be having 29 days. It will be having only 28 days. So, okay, 29 is not a date of 2013 February. Till to 28 only we have. Okay, so how many Fridays are there in 2013 February? 1, 2, 3 and 4 Fridays. Okay, only 4 Fridays are there in February. So this is all about calendar math. We have discussed what is a leap year, what are the peculiarities of a calendar, okay, how to find the number of days in a month, and we discussed some textual questions also. Hope the video was very clear to you and useful to you. Please practice from your home and take notes. Okay, thank you. Bye.